In 1906, San Francisco trembled as tectonic plates shifted beneath the city. The ground cracked open, swallowing streets and buildings. But why do these plates move? Deep beneath the Earth's crust, molten rock churns, creating currents that push plates apart or crash them together. This invisible dance can trigger earthquakes, reshaping landscapes in seconds. Imagine standing on solid ground only to feel it ripple like water. What secrets lie beneath our feet, waiting to be uncovered? As scientists delve deeper, each discovery reveals more about our planet's restless nature. Curious? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.